Hello friends. Welcome to Red Bees, your favorite infotainment channel. In this video, we are providing you with the important days in Indian calendar. This can be useful to improve your general knowledge. Important dates and day in the Indian calendar. National observances, commemorations, and celebrations make up a key part of social life in India. Here is a list of the important days and dates in the Indian calendar and their significance. January 12th, National Youth Day. Swami Vivekananda, the great Indian monk and philosopher who put India on the world map with his speech at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago, was born on 12th January 1863. His birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day. January 15th, Indian Army Day. The Indian Army is the third largest standing army in the world. Army Day on 15th January commemorates Field Marshal Kilometer Karya Pass taking over as the first Commander-in-Chief from British General Sir Francis Butcher. January 23rd, Netaji Jayanti. Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose, one of the most prominent revolutionary leaders of the Indian freedom movement, was born on 23rd January 1897. January 26th, Republic Day. 26th January, celebrated as Republic Day, celebrates the day the Indian Constitution replaced the Government of India Act of 1935 as the supreme law of the land. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution in the world. January 30th, Martyrs' Day. Martyrs' Day, Sarvodaya Day or Shahid Divas, in India is the day the nation pays homage to the freedom fighters and those who lay their lives down in the service of the nation. It is on this day that Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated in the year 1948. March 16th, National Vaccination Day. In 2014, India was declared free of polio by the WHO. It is the aggressive vaccination campaigns that have rid the country of polio, smallpox, and such diseases. Since 1995, National Vaccination Day is observed on 16th March to commemorate the first administration of oral polio vaccine. April 14th, Ambedkar Jayanti. Ambedkar Jayanti, celebrated on 14th April, is the birthday of B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of the Indian Constitution. Ambedkar was the chairman of the Indian Constitution Drafting Committee and a leading advocate for the eradication of untouchability in the country. May 1st, May Day. International Workers' Day or May Day is celebrated in India in keeping with global norms. The day is dedicated to the efforts of the labor class, which forms the foundation of industrial growth and development in India. May 7th, Rabindra Jayanti. Rabindra Jayanti, the birthday of the poet, scholar, and Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, is celebrated on 7th May. The date varies, sometimes to correspond with the 25th day of Baishakh in the Bengali calendar. The national anthems of India, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka are believed to have been derived from his poems. June 21st, International Yoga Day. In 2014, Indian Prime Minister M.R. Narendra Modi addressed the UN General Assembly and called for the adoption of 21st June, summer solstice, as International Yoga Day. The UN adopted this observance to honor the 5,000-year-old practice of yoga. August 8th, Quit India Day. On 8th August 1942, Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India movement. Let every Indian consider himself to be a free man, he said at the launch. The Quit India Day is a tribute to this spirit of freedom. August 15th, Independence Day. India regained its independence from British rule after a long and dedicated struggle. The commitment to sovereignty and the sacrifices of the freedom fighters is celebrated on this day. It is one of the 3 national holidays in the country. August 29th, National Sports Day. Dhyan Chand, the famous Indian hockey player who bagged a number of honors and medals for India, was born on 29th August. National Sports Day is observed each year on this day to celebrate his spirit and to promote sporting activities in the country. September 5th, Teachers' Day. Born on 5th September 1888, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan went on to become a great teacher, an exemplary academician, a philosopher, and India's second president. His birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day across the country. October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly referred to as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu, or even as the father of the nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. He led the country through its freedom struggle with his ideals of non-violence and truth. His birthday is a national holiday in the country. October 8th, Indian Air Force Day. Indian Air Force is the 4th largest and one of the most competent in the world. It was established on 8th October 1932 and is now one of India's greatest strengths both in peacetime and war. Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on 8th October. October 10th, National Post Day. India Post is one of the largest postal networks in the world. Founded in 1774 by the British, the Indian postal system is the harbinger of news and joy throughout rural India. National Post Day is celebrated on 10th October. November 14th, Children's Day. 14th November, the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, is celebrated as Children's Day. Nehru's love for children and firm conviction that they are the future leaders of our nation is commemorated on this day. December 4th, Indian Navy Day. Indian Navy plays a very important role in safeguarding the coasts and water territory. Navy Day, celebrated on 4th December each year, honors the sentinels of our seas and the sacrifices they make to safeguard our country. December 7th, Indian Armed Forces Flag Day. Since 1949, India celebrates its Armed Forces Flag Day on 7th December. The day is dedicated to the appreciation of the armed forces and to collect funds for the welfare of the armed forces personnel. December 23rd, Kisan Divas. Indian economy is rooted deeply in agriculture. Agriculture, along with allied activities such as fisheries and forestry, is one of the greatest contributors to the national GDP. India observes Kisan Divas on 23rd December each year to appreciate the efforts of the farmers. Hope you like the video. Please like, comment to our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.